Hey guys, it's Sandra again, and I want to do a lead lightning training tonight and what you need to do to set it up. So you're going to see this link, this capture page. You're going to see this, and all you have to do is enter your name and your email. Enter a real name and your real email, because you're going to get an email sent to you in your inbox giving you the website and your username and password. So when you click this, it's going to go straight, and just like it says, I want to give you my list building website absolutely free. So you're going to look in your email excuse me, for your free lead system, because that's included with this. Then you're going to see this video, congratulating you for your leads for joining and telling you that your lead system is going to be in your email. So look for that email account. And then it's going to go on to explain about lead lightning. Okay, lead lightning is only a one-time fee of $7. You don't have to pay $7 every month. You don't have to pay every year. It's just a one-time fee of $7. And so let me show you the email you're going to get when you. So it's going to say congratulations on claiming your lead lightning. You will find the system absolutely amazing. And so then you're going to see your username and your password. And when you put the username and password in, this is what you're going to see. All right, this is the lead lightning system. How do I get started? You can click that. Get started in 3 simple steps. So you're going to watch this video first. Then you're going to join our Facebook group. You're going to choose which links from below here to advertise. Okay, and then you're going to advertise your links. So if you're going to use funnel 1, this is just going to promote for the lead lightning only. But if you want to use funnel 2, you can promote your lead lightning and your primary business. And for this link, you would have to put your primary business down here. Do not add the http:// because it's already here. So you just add in the rest of your email, right? And then you click update. These videos are going to explain how to use referral A and referral B link, okay? And then this one is for the funnel number 2, if you're going to use this link, right? So then after that, you are going to see how it works. And this video is going to, oh no, it's the same thing. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, so what you have in this system also is, if you see, you'll see a little bit of difference from this system and the free lead system. Here you're going to have the traffic generation online again, places to help you to post your links. Then you have leads. This is your contact manager, and everybody that signs up, like they're going to show up right here, right? And you will get to send them emails and reminders. You can send them information about your business, things like that. So with the training area, you're going to get 3 things. You're going to get training, the training area. Oh, I want to show you. Okay, for the training area, you're going to get training. It's called the training area. You can go in there and watch videos. And you're going to get the Power VIP Club, which is the Power VIP Club is another section where you get more information. You get training on Facebook training, email marketing training, Snapchat training, and so much more, so much more. And then you also get share codes where you can use different capture pages. If you don't want to use the one that you saw earlier, you can change it if you want to. So it's a lot of information in there. And then the next thing you get is this roadmap to riches. And this is, you can download it. It's a PDF, and you're going to learn about the overview of the Power Lead system, how to easily earn a lucrative income. Step 3 is foundation. Step 4, you're going to learn huge value of sales and information funnels. Step 5, how to promote our system. And step 6, how to virtually guarantee your success, right? So I think this is pretty good for $7. You get a lot to start with. You can promote your business with this, and it's very easy for someone who doesn't have an autoresponder, because see, with this contact manager, you can send out emails on your behalf to your prospects, right? And then you could add new contacts if you want to. And these are the tools that comes with to show how many emails you can send out, who last visited in the last 30 days. This website I'm showing you is just a for example. I'm not using it. I'm just showing it for example. So you can also send out blast emails. You can send them anything. It's your email, right? And this is great to build your list. And with this lead lightning, because it's $7 one time, every time somebody buys this product from you, you will get $6 from each person that buys from you. So it's also it's also a list building, and you can make money from this. So this is good for beginners, I think, or someone who just needs to get more leads and get themselves out there. Because what you're doing is not only you're giving them value by giving them a free lead system, to use, that they can use to get more leads, right? And then you're showing them your opportunity. So you always lead with value. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.